you look like a beautiful nightmare. Don't you know?
Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. I am here with another one from the, almost fell, Alipearl hair. I'm super excited about doing this number 4 dark brown, okay? Get into the color now. Number 4 dark brown colored human hair wig, okay? I am really going to start doing this, just coming to y'all right after I film one and starting the next one, okay? So this unit is really super beautiful. She's 24 inches of love, sex, and magic. And she's a thickum. She's 180% density. You know we like them thicker than a Snicker. Okay, so I'm super excited about that. She has 2 combs in the front, 1 in the back, adjustable straps for Wakanda Forever. We're doing things a little bit differently with this one. She's really, really thick and beautiful. What I'm going to do, just like this, no heat, I received Octocurl, okay? So Octocurl, I'm going to leave the Amazon link for this one below, is a heatless way to like do your curls, right? So y'all know I love some body wave hair because I love to curl it up. So I'm not ready for this. So what we're gonna do is I'm going to put mama on the mannequin, curl her up. Look, you just take one and then wrap the hair around it and then make sure it's tied with this. So that's what we're gonna do with her, okay? Heatless curls, we're gonna try it out. We're gonna try it out and then I'm gonna come back tomorrow. I'm gonna let this sit overnight. I'm gonna come back tomorrow and then see what the curls is working with, because these curls are already fire. So I'm just gonna kind of like tighten them up a bit, okay? So I'm gonna shut my motherfucking mouth. Oh, y'all about to air me out about this one. This unit with the 13x4 lace at 24 inches and 180% density. It's $375. For the girls in the back, she's $375. But look at how beautiful she is. She is stunning. I'm gonna shut my mouth. I'm gonna shut my mouth and I'm gonna get ready. Okay, I'm gonna get this ready. Okay, now there's 16 little rods, okay, 8 like 2 and 2, and excuse me, 2 for each leg of the Octocurl. Okay, so let me turn around. So we curled this Alipearl number 4 body wave wig all the way up. Okay, I'm hoping that it's going to turn out the way that we expect, hunty, because if it doesn't, I'm going to be pissed. Do you hear me? But that's the fun of trying all these things out, so we can get an idea about what's working and what the fuck is not. So the good thing is that this is really a nice option if you want to do like heatless curls or whatever the case may be. What I did not love, and this is a personal thing and this is laziness, I haven't like rotted my hair in so long, and these are soft, by the way. Like, these are like almost like if you had like just like a pillow. It's really, really soft. Again, I think this is going for like $20 or $27 on Amazon. I'm going to use leave my Amazon affiliate link below so you guys can check it out, along with some other stuff that I actually add to my Amazon shop, including my blow dryer that I used in this. I had to get a new blow dryer, guys. I can't believe it. So let me shut my mouth. I'm going to start taking these out so you guys can see. All right. So here we have one. You pull it out, literally, and then what I do, I'm just gonna pull it right from the top. Okay? Oh, that's a good curl. That's a really good curl. Okay, so let's keep going. I love the color of this hair. The texture of this hair is really beautiful as well. Now, the cap is super big head friendly. Okay, so keep that in mind. Oh, yeah. We getting somewhere, y'all. Y'all see these curls dropping? So when you do it, I really kind of rolled it, pushed the hair up, and then tied the tie so it doesn't like the hair doesn't get kind of caught up in it and you don't get like the tangles. Because I had been seeing that people had been experiencing. Oh yeah, this is going to be perfect. I'm so friggin' ready. Are you guys ready? Because I'm so ready. But yeah, other than that, I think that this hair is actually really friggin' stunning. The lace on this hair is absolutely stunning. Just pulling this out right from the top, okay? Pull that down. Then I'm gonna pull it out right from the top. Boom. Okay. Okay, so let's get into the hair. Now, Alipearl Hair so graciously provided us with this. And let me tell you something. This is one of the best units I've experienced this year now. And it's primarily because, one, the thickness of this unit has kind of changed my life. I'm clear that I need 180% body wave units from this point forward. Now, because I decided to curl her in the manner that I did, she did tangle a bit. I'm not attributing this to Alipearl Hair because when I got this unit, it was absolutely flawless. So this is a me thing, not an Alipearl Hair thing. The unit is absolutely stunning. I actually wore her for several days with several different looks, and I'll put a little look in here as well so you guys get an idea of how versatile she is. But this unit is everything. This hair came out so fire. I'm going to really just zhuzh her a bit because I think that she could look a little bit more refined. Y'all know we love curls for the girls, and I want to give it to you properly. We got some lashes. This is a big scarf, which I appreciate. We got an edge brush that I cannot find, and obviously this beautiful wig bag from Alipearl. So what are you thinking, my loves? Like, are you guys sold? Are you guys sold on the Octocurl? Are you sold on the Alipearl? Like, tell me. I'm really into this look. Is it me? Is it me? Am I the drama? Like, bitch. Let me tell you something. Y'all trying to tell me you're not feeling this look? Oh my God. I'm outdone. We achieved this look using our Alipearl No. 4 body wave wig hoe. Okay? And then we threw this bitch up in our head. And we got this look. I'ma leave a link below. Bitch, I'ma leave a link below. All right, let me turn around and y'all tell me if y'all can see my tracks in the bed. Let me know if y'all can see my tracks in the bed. Sis, can you see my tracks? Let me tell you something. This unit is 180% density. I'm so glad. I'm kind of feeling like moving forward, I don't want a unit that's not 180% density. The thickness on this is giving love, sex, and magic. And you know how we love all those things. This bitch is giving black, sexy, Hollywood love, light, I'm gonna have to really give y'all a little nice little picture with this one. My little curl coming out right here though. I don't like that. But this was all achieved. What do y'all think? We came through, we provided a look, a style. I'm obsessed with this. I am absolutely positively obsessed, okay? You heard it here first. This is fire. Go find you some the Octocurl. Again, I'm gonna leave the link below so you can purchase it from my affiliates, my Amazon store. But Alipearl hair, this shit is sexy. What's up on that lace, ho? You done? Bitches, you done? I am. That was for me. I'm done, sis. I want to say thank y'all for coming on through. Thank you to Alipearl Hair for really sending this unit out, making us feel like love, sex, and magic all over again. You're not into putting heat in your hair. This is a wonderful alternative. This is no heat at all. This is all this. She did all the work, ho. She did all the work. So Alipearl came through, provided us with a bomb unit with stunning lace. Absolutely stunning lace, okay? I really, really do love this unit. Again, she's a number 4 or a chocolate brown, I believe. She's going for she expensive. She expensive, but she's 180% density. I have 24 inches. I think she's around $350. So there's that for the girls in the back, because I know y'all gonna say nothing. Listen, I know, Andrea, I know. So there's that. The other part of this is they are running a current campaign, a sales campaign, Alipearl Hair. So what you can do is, if you purchase this unit, okay, or a number 8 unit, chocolate brown unit, you can get any headband wig unit from 8 to 16 inches for free. So make sure you guys go to their site, check that out as well, because they're doing something. This hair's so goddamn fine. I look so motherfucking good, okay? Let me tell you something, sis. Let me know what you guys think about this one. Bust down, subscribe to this Mammy Tapping channel, because, bitch, I'm back. Okay, I'm back, and I'm ready to play with the girls and the guys and the gays and the everybody's, okay? So if you have not already, I love you guys so much. Thank you for watching. Make sure you check out Alipearl Hair, okay? And we'll see you beautiful mother jumpers on the other side. Bye.